the recording for the people who are going to miss. Okay. So guys, my name is Amar and I am into the coaching section since 4 years. It's more than 4 years now. And I have been giving training and coaching to the people who are in class 10th, who are in class 12. And then I'm guiding them to how to select the right set of course and career after the 10th and 12th. And after that, I am giving the training and coaching for the people who are in graduation as well as engineering and masters to understand their requirement and to give the right guidance which career, which future will be good for them. So right now, what we are going to discuss today, we have few people who are serious about their future, about their career. So we will start the introduction first. Okay, so I know Vivek sir, I know Rohit, those people. I am grateful that those you two have joined today to share your feedback and to guide those three people. So we will start the introduction from Amir Diraz. Amir Diraz, hi, welcome to the session. Please introduce yourself. Your introduction will be in three parts. Your name, and then after the name, you will say what is your pass out year and what do you want to improve in your job search, why you have joined this session, what exactly you want to improve, and what is your favorite company if you want to choose the career. And I would request Akansha, Abdullah, and Razuel, can you please open the video because we have very less attendees, and yes, it should be interactive as well. Yes, Amir Draz, go ahead. You have to unmute yourself.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon, Amir Draz.
Sir, I am Amitabh from Karloor, sir.
Okay.
I am
So
from the
you,
Department of.
yeah, you are
Sir,
comfortable with English or you want to talk in Tamil?
sir, both, sir. I can speak.
Okay, okay. So you take care of English part, then we will start the other introduction. Okay,
Okay,
your
sir.
introduction will be your name, your pass out year, and
Okay, sir.
what do you want to improve in your career? I mean, today, what is your expectation from the session and what is your favorite company?
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
No problem, go ahead.
Um, Sir, my password year is 2017 to 21, sir.
Okay,
Mm, I need some core company, sir. I think.
okay.
Mm,
What is your exact
okay, sir.
area of interest in which you want a core company?
Mm,
Where do you want a core company? Which field?
Sir, in mechanical field, I think, sir.
Okay,
Chair.
perfect. So you are into mechanical, 21 pass out, and you want to gain your core mechanical field for the job. Perfect. Thank you, Amitraj. So moving on to next, we are going to talk with Abdullah. I think Abdullah has. So we will talk to Akansha now. Akansha, can you open the video?
Wait for 2 minutes.
Okay, so we will move on to Rajwal. Rajwal, can you open the video so that I can see you and I can understand your requirement as well?
Adam.
Okay, Vidut,
Video on
Okay, sir.
Vidut alive.
madam.
Can you open the video, please? Perfect. So we have Rajwal. Welcome, Rajwal. So, Rajwal, we are going to take the introduction from your side, your name, what is your pass out year, and what is the expectation from this course today? I mean, what do you want to improve in your career for today? Okay. And what is your favorite company?
Sir, my name is Rajul, sir. I'm
Yes, Raj.
from Chidambaram Kille, sir.
Perfect, perfect. And
I'm a
which year pass out year?
This year, sir, 2001,
21.
21. Yes, sir.
Perfect, perfect. So we have two people from 21 pass out. And what is your field, core field?
Mechanical manufacturing.
So you are in mechanical. Perfect. So let me make a note. So moving on to next Akanksha, and then okay, Akanksha, welcome to the session. You
Thank
have
you,
to
sir.
introduce yourself, your name, your pass out year, your area of interest, and what is your favorite company.
Sir, my name is Akanksha Shrestha, and I have basically down to Lucknow, and
हिंदी में थोड़ा सा
I had I had passed out the year 2017 from Bansal Institute of Engineering and Technology, and I have interest software company. I think SCL, Wipro,
Okay, okay, perfect, perfect.
and
So
so on.
you are
Thank you,
from
sir.
Lucknow, right? So we have somebody very special today. His name is Mr. Vivek. He's my teacher. He's my guide. He's my coach, and you will be getting lot of career guidance from Vivek sir. Okay, so perfect. So we are going to move from the next person. Name is Razwell. Sorry, Razwell is done. Okay, so we have this much people. So I'll share the screen. We will talk about little bit about the career guidance. Then we will move directly to the success story. Okay. So let me share the screen, and so guys, this is me, and this session is exclusive for you, 100% free, because I don't want to take even a single rupee from the fresher or the students. I am an international certified career coach, giving the coaching and counseling in 5 different countries to the students. And since 2016, more than 400,000 people life has been touched by the guidance somewhere all the around. I'm a certified career coach since November 20. I'm a founder of Sayog Foundation. I'm a business development coach in multiple areas. And these things which we told 10th, 12th engineering and freshers, we had a discussion just now. This is one of the photo where I am giving counseling and coaching to the students from 10th and 12th. And I have very successful person, very beautiful person, Mr. Vivek sir. And we will going to now we are going to talk with sir, and we will see the feedback since we know each other and how it helped. So, sir, can you please open the video and can we talk a little bit?
Yeah, sure, Raman.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining. Thank you for giving your time. How do you know me, sir?
Actually, earlier, you were one of my student, I would say. Or I would say that you were a trainee there. So that was the, very first point when we met each other and we started. So I was teaching you Microsoft.NET framework, and that was the first point we met and we started jointly.
That was my starting of the career, and I'm so much thankful to you, sir. Thank you so much for your blessing always. So how do you feel that the association with me has helped you in
See,
even a
for
1%?
Yeah, exactly. See, for anybody, if he wants to plan his career at any phase of life, uh, if a proper guidance and proper advice is provided to anybody at right moment of time, so it's like just like a uh, it's something which you can you can just get from a appropriate person and shape your career. And if you have just wasted your time, with discussing your planning or your career goals with with anybody who was not supposed to provide you a proper advice, so that is just I would say not a good idea. So what I would like to suggest everybody here, that if you are planning your career, if you want to do anything in your life, so first of all, at least you should decide that what you want to do. And secondly, you should have somebody in your life, somebody as aspiration who can guide you properly, that what would be the proper path to achieve that. If you have those two things with you, then nobody can stop you to achieve whatever you want to do in your life. So career coach, some kind of mentor, or if you have any such precious person in your life, then it's really great.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And does it chargeable? That is, did you feel that I have taken charge from your side since last 10 to 12 years?
No, not exactly. I would just like to tell everybody here that Amar is a kind of person who is 24 cross 7 available. You can call him, you can ping him, whatever problem you have, whatever you want to discuss, at any point of time. So m- money is not something which I would say, at least in my perspective, it was not there. And up to what extent I know him, that he is very much a socialized person, uh, and who do not just care about getting money from here, there, and everywhere. Okay, because we can earn money from various sources in our life, but like career coaching, giving advice to our juniors, okay, mentoring them, this is something which just provide us satisfaction besides our usual job. So
Oh,
yeah.
thank you so much, sir. So do you feel it's good idea to have a mentor like Amar, or a mentor like someone like Amar in the career? At least someone should have one mentor in their life, in their career,
See,
at least starting the career.
yeah, honestly speaking, I would definitely like to recommend everybody who is, in initial phase of his career, to have a mentor. That mentor may be anybody, but if you guys are getting an opportunity to have, a mentor like Amar, so I would definitely like to recommend him for, everybody who is currently in this session.
Perfect, sir. Perfect. So I'm blessed that your kind words. Thank you so much for your time, sir. So we have another success story today who is just graduated and got the placement. His name is Rohit Upadhyay. I know him very well. And I have, I just say, congratulations, Rohit. I know I was not able to help you in a very great manner, but yes, I have a success story to say that yes, Rohit, somewhere even 1% I was there in your life. So thankful to your time that you made your time for today and to guide. There are three people who there who can at least listen to you. What kind of advice you wanted to give as a fresher to those kind of people?
Hi everyone, my name is Rohit Upadhyay and I'm from IITSM Dhanbad and I'm a final year student. I currently get a placement offer from Adverb Technology, which is an automation and
Perfect.
robotics company.
Congratulations, Rohit.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Actually, what the matter is how you describe yourself in front of someone. Like the matter is how you telling you how you telling, like first question will be tell me about yourself. So this questions tell about where your
Rohit,
interviews is. Like if you tell this question very like in your way, this means this shows that where you want to go your interview. Hello.
yes, please go ahead. Your voice is a little breaking, but we are able to understand. Right, Akanksha, Amir, and Razwal? Yes, please go ahead, Rohit.
Hello. Okay, so the main point is like if you tell someone about yourself, so the like what interviewer sees in you, like what at what point you finished your tell me about yourself. He pick up that point and uh, ask you about that point. Like if you tell about your projects in life, then he will ask you for your project. So what I can say, like the main point is in interview how you tell about yourself and how you are determination to tell the things that you know correctly and with confident. So these things help me.
Perfect, perfect.
If I would say for Amar sir, I connect him from I for summer intensive. I connected sir in on LinkedIn and tell about me like I am searching for a summer intensive and sir I have sent also the resume for sir. And sir, by seeing my resume, sir told me that you can apply for this post, and they also send me several times for jobs like openings that I can get. So thank you, sir, for your help. Like you are a nice person. Like you are doing a great job for people like us, like who are looking for some opportunity to get in the industrial field. So yeah, I will definitely say Amar sir is very kind of person who help, like who want to help genuinely, who want to help someone who is in need. So like when I was in like trouble and I'm looking for a job, then I think like whatever I can do for help, and definitely he was always available for me. So I think thank you, sir, for your time that you had given for me. And
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you so much. So let me share the screen again. We have so many other success story, but I'm not going to take more. Has given their heart and soul to say something about the course. So she is someone who is a fresher and she belongs from Bangalore. She connected me over the LinkedIn, and today she is in a very successful job. He is one of my friend. He is from Chennai and he is working in HCL now. He is Mr. Wasim, and I know him since last 2 years, and we got connected on the way from in Chennai, and he is a success story from HCL, working since last 3 to 4 years. So, what is the agenda for today? What we are going to discuss? So my first agenda, which we are going to talk one-to-one counseling in all the aspects. Every single student who is connected here, I am going to give you my 24/7 time for one-to-one counseling at any time. Now, if let's suppose we are searching the job. So what is the first weapon, first way to sell ourselves? First weapon to sell ourselves is the resume. And I know it's not the enough time to talk about too much about the resume, but yes, let me talk about little bit about the resume, like how to prepare the resume. So resume should be always 100% matching with the job description. I'll give you one example. Let me share the screen and let me show you the live example how to prepare the resume. Okay, let's suppose I'm a Java fresher. So I'll search the Java fresher job anywhere in LinkedIn, sorry, anywhere in Google. I'll go there, I'll check, and as soon as I'll get any of the job, I'll go directly to the job description and I'll pick some of the topic like OOPS, Servlet, Struts, Spring, Hibernate, and these things will be in my skills. So this, I'll make sure these many things are available in my resume. Why? Because nowadays recruiters are taking only 3 second to 6 second time to select or reject any of the resume. So Nowadays, people started using robotic machine, and every single resume should pass through the anti-robotic protocol ARP. So if you don't have the keywords which is available in any of the job description in your resume, that there is a high chances your resume might be rejected. So I would recommend everybody who are connected here, whenever you are preparing your resume, make sure your resume should be perfectly 100% matching with the job description, and always make sure you don't send one single resume for 20 job, for all the 20 job. You have to check the job description and then prepare resume. So good news is today I am going to give a bonus after the session. I'll send a link. I'll give you a resume template. One of my candidate who got selected in Google last month, I got the resume which we have prepared together. So that resume as a fresher, I'm going to give everybody, and how to create the LinkedIn profile. So that one PDF which I prepared for you people exclusively, I'm going to give that how to prepare the LinkedIn profile, because nowadays LinkedIn profile is an easy way to select any kind of fresher or experienced candidate. Now, the next thing which we are going to talk about the interview preparation, the agenda of one-to-one counseling and coaching. We will talk about the interview preparation, and if possible, and if I feel that you need the resume interview preparation in mock interview as well, I will provide the mock interview with you, face to face, telephonic, video, everything. Now the point which is coming to the next, how to search the job, how to hunt the job. So I have a LinkedIn profile where I can show you how to hunt the job. I have an article already. You can go there, check and follow those steps, how to search the job and how to hunt the job. Now, there are 5 steps how to search the job. What is the roadmap to search any kind of job? You should have one resume that always matching with the job description and the requirement. You should have registered in maximum job portals, and if you have a profile on LinkedIn, InstaHire, BlueTie, you can connect with the people and you can network with them, and if possible you can meet with the face to face to get the experience and to get the knowledge about the job or the company. You have to have added yourself in various kind of groups, and you have to follow some of the personality in LinkedIn so that you can get the right kind of guidance and right kind of job at the right time. And now the point, which job I should apply. So as a fresher, we should make sure that you should not apply every single job. I am a job seeker. I'm not a beggar that I should apply every single job. I need job. No, it will not work. You have to check the job description. If you are searching the off-campus job, you have to check the job description. And if it is perfectly matching with your skill set, if you perfectly matching with the knowledge and experience, then only you are eligible to apply. If you're not eligible and if you're overqualified, you will not get selected. There will be high chances you will not even get the call also. We are going to talk how to search the job. So to search the job, we have various platforms. Let's talk about Naukri. So let's suppose you are Java fresher and you wanted to check the job. So nowadays, people started getting job interviews from LinkedIn, from various kind of group. So how companies are selecting the candidate? The companies, everybody is focusing on 80-20 principle. So what is 80-20 principle? 80-20 principle, 86% is job is not available on the internet, and 40% job will be available in the job market. Let's suppose I am a recruiter and I have a job vacancy for my company. So my first priority will be my people who are working with me since long time, means my own employees. And then I'll trust my employees to get the reference from the employee itself. So that's why I told you have to have connected with the people who are working somewhere, so that at least you can get the reference whenever the job will vacancy will open. And then the third option will be, if suppose I am not getting the candidate from the employer referral, then I'll talk to the recruitment agency. And recruitment agency also nowadays, they are focusing first of the reference, second they will post on the internet. Then the last option will be focus for putting the requirement on the internet. That is why nowadays people are not getting too much call from applying the job in Naukri or LinkedIn or anywhere. So best answer is to search the job is to focus on networking more rather than applying. And now, how to select the right company? I have a very nice article. I'll show you after this slide. So what is the resume tips? Resume should be one page only if you are a fresher. And your font size maximum should be 11, and your font size will be Times or Arial. It should be, I mean, identical in all the line. You are not supposed to write any kind of objective, because if you are submitting your resume, it should be targeted. Okay, you have to have check your grammar, spelling, and always try to check the proofread. Or proofread means peer review. You can send your resume to one of your friend and check everything is correct or not, because sometimes we will not be able to focus our own mistakes, but the friend will be able to take. Graphical representation is not required. Your passport, your photo is not required. I have a very nice article about the tips how to create the resume. You can check in my LinkedIn article section. Now, if suppose I am a recruiter, how the shortlisting process will work. First of all, your resume format will be perfect. And then it should have some ATS keyword or anti-robotic protocol, right? So what is that? Actually, that is a buzzword. What is buzzword? So let me share the screen again, and I'll show you what is buzzword. You have right launch, created, monitored, volunteered. These kind of words are called buzzword. So these kind of words will give more weightage in your resume rather than I was working with the company and they have created the website and I was a part of that. Rather than using this sentence, you can use I have created the website for the company and we were 20 people team and we work together and develop a very successful software. So it will show the authority, it will show the responsibility you had in that particular project. So I would recommend you have to use buzzwords in your resume. Okay. So there are some job portals which is I would suggest with everyone. You can follow this: Naukri, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and Genuine Hire. So these three are highly recommended because this is my own portal, and these two portals are highly recommended because people are getting much more result from Naukri and LinkedIn. Now, how to select the right company? I will little bit zoom it and I'll give you some examples. So rather than applying everywhere, you should see where do you want to work. Okay, so I'll give some example. Let's suppose I want to work in Fortune 500 company. So I'll search in the Google what is Fortune 500 company in India, and I'll take the list. I'll see which company is suitable for me. I'll start up preparing for that particular company, then I'll apply the job. Which is the great place to work where too much politics will not be there, or else environment will be better. So I can get the list of great place to work companies in India, and I can create my own list from that list. Then I'll start working for those companies. Now, there are people who are very much interested in CMM level 5, 3, 4, 5 companies. You can take the list from Google, prepare your own list, start preparing for the job rather than applying everywhere which is not even suitable for you. You can get the targeted list which is suitable for you, and then you can apply the job. Now, how to validate any company is legal in India? So there is a website, it's a government website, mca.gov.in. You can go that website and check the company LLP master data, and as soon as you will enter the company name, you can get the example. Let me show you one example for Infosys. So it's Infosys is listed, yes. It is in Bangalore, yes. And it means company is legal in India, and I can search. If suppose I'm getting the offer, I can apply the job, or else I can accept the offer letter from Infosys, because it is legal, listed, and it is operating successfully in India. Now, before accepting any offer letter, you have to have, for accepting any offer letter, you have to have checked the Google feedback, Glassdoor feedback. I'm not sure the spelling is correct or not, but anyway. And you have to check the relevant source also, like you can take the peer review, or else somebody who's already working in that company, you can take the feedback, or else you can get some reference from social network like LinkedIn. And without getting the feedback, you are not supposed to accept the offer letter, because recruiting later is better than researching now. So I'll stop my discussion right now. And yes, I know I'm talking too much. So guys, anyone, any question? Akanksha, Amir, Rajwell, any question? Guys, you are here? Hello.
Sir, that you giving all example about the IT based company only.
Yes, Amir, open your video and we talk. Perfect. Yes,
Sir,
tell me.
that you saying all example about IT based company only, sir. We need some example about code companies.
You can replace the word, okay, from
Okay,
IT
sir.
to mechanical, and then you can create your own list and you can apply the job. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now the answer your question, you want to job in your core field. Okay. So I would suggest create the list of companies. Okay. You can take 3 parameter Fortune 500 mechanical companies, or else your core field, and then create the list and start searching the job. If you need any kind of guidance, any help, feel free to reach me out and we will work together. Okay. So moving on to Amni. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing the right.
Yes, sir. I am Amani.
Amni, hi. So
Uh,
welcome to the session. I think you are a little bit late. Can you open the video and introduce yourself? Then we can talk about your challenges.
yes, sir. One second.
Perfect. Perfect. Welcome to the session. Yes,
Yes,
Amni, how can I help you?
yes, sir. I am Amani from MVGR College, and I
Okay.
am from Information Technology branch,
Okay.
and now I'm in final year. So, like I am getting offers with 4 lakhs package like that, but I want to go into higher packages like minimum of 10 lakhs or 15 lakhs like that.
Okay. Okay.
So, how can I get those offers, or how to search? Like now, I saw that Fortune top 500. So, like that, I can search, but how can I go into those interviews? Like my resume should be shortlisted first. So, those companies will not like, I'm getting some rejection letters also from
Right. So to answer your question, I have three things which we can talk. First thing, your resume should be 100% perfect. Okay. You should not use the same resume and apply in all the job. Okay. You have to check the job description in any of the company. Then you can create your customize your resume according to the job description, then you can apply. And to answer your question, you want to go in higher package, we have someone very special today. He's a manager with TCL, and he can give you answer, sir. Mr. Vivek. So sir, can you hear me? Sir, Amni has a
Yes.
question. She want to go in with a higher package, and she is getting offer with 4 lakhs or 5 lakhs package, but she want to go with 10 lakh package. So to answer this question, I would need your help. What will be your feedback? Because you are working as a manager, you have reputed designation right now, and I know you have passed through all the battles.
Uh, See, one thing that was very much important, you suggested that a single resume can't be forwarded to everywhere. Okay. And secondly, I believe that you are from IT, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, secondly, can you just briefly tell me your core skills?
Like I'm very much interested into Salesforce technology, sir.
Oh my God, I was just trying to come on that only. So, if you take an example of Salesforce, or if you take an example of, machine learning and all those emerging technologies, okay, uh, hopefully you would be having certifications as well.
Yes, sir. I have PD1 certification from Salesforce.
Okay, great. So this is really nice for being a fresher. If you are having PD1, so this would definitely boost chances to get selected and get a good job opportunity. So I think that you have both of things. You have certification, and you would be just drafting your resume, in a better manner. So you only need to do one thing for Salesforce. I would like to suggest you that there is a Trailblazer community. Have you registered there?
Yes, sir. I'm in. I'm in.
Okay, so you would be getting regular weekly basis job chances, job opportunities those people have across the world, right? So do one thing, just chase all those job opportunities and experiences, and people who are in that forum and posting different things. Okay, Salesforce is, you have chosen Salesforce. This is really a nice choice, I would say. And just try to chase that. Definitely you would get a huge package. Whatever is your expectation, you would definitely get that.
So in Trailblazer community, I can find, sir.
Yeah.
Like there are like any other opportunities from the Salesforce.
From Salesforce point of view, I would like see from Salesforce point of view, I would like to tell you that Salesforce forum is the best place where you can get most number of job opportunities simultaneously. You can have your profile in LinkedIn or in Naukri.com. There are few companies I know that who are mainly dealing in Salesforce. I think you must be aware of that. Accenture, Infosys, and Wipro. Just do one thing. Just search this Salesforce job in Hyderabad and Bangalore only. Okay,
Yes,
you
sir.
would get
Yes,
lots
sir.
of yeah, you would get lots of job opportunities there. So just chase there. Okay. And if you're getting your not your resume selected, or if any kind of feedback you are getting from I would say HR or recruiter, just forward those comments to us. We would definitely like to work on those specific points. But from starting point of view, whatever you have with you, that is more than sufficient, and you can go ahead. Hopefully you would get a good job opportunity and a huge
So,
package
sir.
also.
Yes, sir. But a small thing.
Yeah.
They're asking for experience, sir. Like two minimum of 2 years. As a fresher, I cannot go into those jobs.
See, this is something which is just a trade-off between two things. So you can't buy your experience from anywhere. You can just tell them that, see, I am working so hard. Working. I'm just practicing all those sessions, 18 hours daily. I'm having certification. I feel that I'm very much competent. I have certification as well. This is my expectation. Just give me a chance. Let's have a technical discussion. Let's have a any machine test you want to just do. Okay, I'm ready for that. And ultimately it's the employer who rates you whether you deserve for 8 lakhs, 5 lakhs, or 15 lakhs. So you can't just fill that void of experience with you as you are fresher. You would definitely take 2 years to have that experience in your resume. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Adding one more point in sir's word, if you are getting any kind of offer,
Yes.
don't ever miss that opportunity. Accept that offer and side by side start searching for your better option. Okay. Never do the mistake to reject any offer, because there are so many people who are not even having the job with high good skill. Okay, so be blessed, be thankful that at least you have the opportunity, you are getting the offer, and accept that, be thankful to God, and then start searching better opportunity. Okay, so thank you, Amani, thank you so much. I hope we were able to answer your question.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Perfect. So no problem. We have few more people who have joined a little bit late. So can Priyanshu, can you open the video, introduce yourself and share your challenges so that we can work together? Okay. So Priyanshu, I think he is not available. So okay. So we have people who are 21 pass out or else who are fresher. I'm going to talk each and everyone one to one what kind of help you want from our side. Okay, so I know Amni has got the solution. Amir wanted core job, which we spoke, and I gave the commitment that we will work together to search the job. Akanksha, I have a good news for you that you will be getting job offer within Monday, I think. I spoke with one of the HR. And Razwell, can you unmute yourself, open the video, share your challenge or expectations so that I can help you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. Razwell, you here?
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Open the video, please. Perfect.
Sir.
So, Razwell, you're 21 pass out, right?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So, what kind of help you want to search the job? What is the exact challenge you are facing?
Sir. mm, Company is surrounding the circle, sir.
Tell me. Yes, please. Feel free to.
Mm, no, sir.
Okay, no problem. You can type your question and send me a message. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So Priyanshu, one more last time, I am requesting you to open the video, share your requirement. Otherwise, we can wind up the call. Okay. So Razwell, you can give me a call and we will work together to solve your problem. Welcome, Priyanshu. How can I help you? Yeah, you have to introduce yourself first. What is your name? Which year pass out? And what is the expectation from this session today? And what is your favorite company? अगर आप हिंदी में बात करना चाहते हैं तो we are comfortable with Hindi also, because this session is exclusive for Hindi and English. We have Singapore session which was done yesterday and Nepal is scheduled for tomorrow.
Sir, my name is Priyanshu Agrawal.
Yeah, hi Priyanshu.
Sir, I am doing BTech third year,
Perfect.
uh, in which my problem-based company is based in mechanical engineering.
Okay, so I think you have joined a little bit late. We were talking about which company is best. Okay, so we were talking about which company is best, which company to select for the right career. Okay, so somebody who can help Priyanshu from the session, otherwise you can give me a call after the session, we can help each other. Okay, So to select the right company, always focus on 3 criteria. Which company is the best place of working? Let me share the screen again and I'll give you some example. Okay, so that I know you are late, but it's okay. You can search great place to work companies from Google, Fortune 500 companies from Google. Create the list of your requirement which is suitable for your career, and then start searching the job in that companies, start networking with the people who are working in that company, and as soon as the requirement will come, you can get into that. If you need any help from my side for any company in the world, feel free to call me at 24/7. Any other question, any other doubt, any other challenge? So you are third year, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so no problem, we have enough time. Okay, be in contact, I'll keep on helping you for the internship as well, and for the selecting the right companies as well. So I have a very good news for everyone who is right now right here. I am entitled to give 100% free of cost one-to-one coaching until and unless you are not satisfied with your job, for the people who are connected right now right here. One more bonus which I'm going to provide, I'm going to give you the resume template, the resume which made to Google. One of my candidate who got selected with Google last month, and we have created the resume together. I'm going to give that resume, and there are 2 tips which I'm going to provide how to prepare the resume. That's simple tips, and how to create the LinkedIn profile tips. So 2 bonus which I'm entitled to give you all. So if you have anyone have any question, feel free to ask me, otherwise we can wind up the session right now.
सर जैसे कोई कंपनी आती है
हाँ जी,
तो हम कैसे इंट्रोडक्शन दें, मतलब
okay, so to answer your question, one of very successful person, he was here, I think he got disconnected. Rohit, can you please help Priyanshu right now?
Yes, of course. Like Priyanshu.
Can you open the video?
Okay. हेलो, हाय प्रियांशु। मैं आपके लिए बोलूंगा कि अगर आपको जैसे इंटर्न के लिए अप्लाई करते हो और कोई भी कंपनी आपके पास आती है, तो फर्स्टली दे विल आस्क यू लाइक टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ। डिड यू डू एनी ट्रेनिंग और टिल नाउ? डिड यू डू एनी ट्रेनिंग और प्रोजेक्ट?
रोहित, आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हो?
टेल दैट about yourself, like your name is Priyanshu, your surname, and I am doing BTech from 3rd year in this college. And about that, what is your willingness to work? Like, what is your project that you have done? What is your training that you have done? And after that, they will ask you about your projects and training. So be prepared on those things. Like if you did any projects or something, then be prepared for that and tell them. The main thing that you should tell them is what you have done with your full confidence. Like you need to be confident that what are you trying to say. Okay, so ऐसे नहीं कि मतलब जो तुमने किया है उसको ही ना समझा पाओ। इंटरव्यू समझता है कि तुम क्या समझा रहे हो, जो तुमने सीखा है वो सही सीखा है या कहीं से छापा है, ये भी एक पॉइंट होता है। तो जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं उनको बी कॉन्फिडेंस हो, जो तुम जानते हो ट्रूथफुली उनके आंसर दो। रेज्यूमे को इस तरह से बनाओ कि उसमें कोई भी एक तो झूठ ना हो, प्लस जो भी लिखा है वो तुमको आता हो। अगर वो लिखा है वो नहीं आता, वो वहीं तुम्हें हटा देंगे। तो इंटरव्यू जो तुमसे जेन्युइन क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, लाइक एचआर क्वेश्चन यू गेट फ्रॉम एनी साइड। द टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन, लाइक आई एम आल्सो मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर, लाइक यू से। सो एज अ टेक्निकल you should have your subject with yourself, like the command in the subject is much important from technical side. HR question you can get from the internet, like why do you want to join our company, and what do you think that you are capable to work with your with our company. These all questions, the answers should be prepared first, because like if random questions, अगर कोई रैंडम क्वेश्चन आता है ना हमारे सामने, तो एकदम हम क्या सोचते हैं कि इसका आंसर क्या दें. इफ यू आर वेल प्रिपेयर, लाइक पहले से ही तुम प्रिपेयर हो उसके लिए, तो यू कैन गेट योर आंसर इन योर ओन वे. ओके, सो लाइक ट्राई टू प्रिपेयर आंसर फॉर एवरी क्वेश्चन. लाइक बी प्रिपेयर फर्स्ट, पहले अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करो, उसके बाद आंसर दो. ऐसे नहीं जस्ट क्वेश्चन आया आंसर देने, पहले सोचो क्वेश्चन है क्या, हमको बोलना क्या है, हमको समझना क्या है, उनको समझाना क्या है. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात होती है जो तुम बोल रहे हो वो समझाने के लायक हो या नहीं, क्योंकि सामने वाले को बस तुम्हारी बातें समझ में आनी चाहिए. इफ यू आर नॉट कैपेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू टेल, देन इट इज लाइक वर्थलेस. कोई मतलब नहीं उस चीज का जो तुम कह रहे हो. तो जो भी इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन पूछता है उसको समझो कि उसको उस हिसाब से बताओ कि वो तुम्हें समझे कि हाँ ये तुमने चीज की हुई है. बाकी कॉन्फिडेंस रहो अपने जो भी तुम बता रहे हो उस चीज में. अगर तुम कॉन्फिडेंस की लेक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस हो जाए तो वो भी सोचते हैं कि इन्होंने अच्छे से नहीं किया, जिससे वो समझा नहीं पा रहे. अगर यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद इंग्लिश, देन कम इन हिंदी. दे हैव नो प्रॉब्लम विद दैट. लाइक देयर इज नो सच कंपनी हु इज नॉट लाइक, इफ योर इंग्लिश इज वीक, देन they will tell you like speak in Hindi, we will consider it. But इस चीज का ध्यान रखो. कोई
रोहित आपका म्यूट हो गया.
हेलो.
या हाय. सो थैंक यू रोहित, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर एडवाइस. मतलब आपने प्रूव किया ना कि आपका जो सिलेक्शन हुआ है ना, यू वर्थ इट, यू वर्थ इट मैन. गुड, आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू. सो प्रियांशु, आई होप आपको आंसर मिल गया. अगर नहीं मिला है तो आप मुझे अलग से कॉल कर सकते हैं, मैं आपकी हेल्प करूंगा. आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट. ठीक है. एंड आकांक्षा, मैं आपको थोड़ी देर में फोन करता हूँ. आपके लिए जॉब की बात हो चुकी है. एंड आमिर दराज, आई होप आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है. आप यू डोंट हैव एनी क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ? नो डाउट, नो क्वेश्चन. ओके, परफेक्ट.
No,
हाउ
sir, no,
मेनी
sir.
you have any doubt, any question? Okay, so perfect. So thank you so
Yes,
much,
sir, no
guys.
doubt.
Perfect, perfect,
My
perfect.
network is not good.
No problem, no problem. If you have any question, any doubt, feel free to call me at any time.
Yes, sir, sure. Thank
Okay.
you.
So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining. I hope we were able to help you. And the people who have missed, we will be sharing the recording with them. So we can wind up the call right now. This is your coach Amar Srivastav, who is the leading youngest coach in Asia right now, providing coaching in 5 different countries in a different time zone. And I'm thankful and blessed to you guys that you made it today. Thank you so much. Keep working on yourself. Keep signing. Well done. Goodbye.
Thank you everyone. Thank you.